guys, good morning. It's 6 in the morning actually, and see, I can't believe that मैं इतना जल्दी actually उठ गई हूँ. Uh, this is so unlike me, but I have to take you guys somewhere. I have to show you this beautiful place. That's the reason I woke up so early. So let's go. Let's get ready and let's get going. This video is going to be a little longer than usual. So grab a cup of coffee and enjoy this ride. हमारे आज के व्लॉग का एजेंडा है आपको बैंगलोर की रियल ब्यूटी दिखाना, द रियल ग्रीन सिटी, एंड कुछ दोस्तों से मिलना, आइकॉनिक लोकेशंस को देखना, थोड़ी जॉगिंग करना एंड यमी साउथ इंडियन ब्रेकफास्ट खाना. This is one landmark for the east gate of the Cubbon Park. This park has many gates. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and here I am in Cubbon Park, the lungs of Bengaluru, and I'll show you how beautiful, lush green this park is. No wonder they call it lungs of Bengaluru. So green, so beautiful. And मैं अपने फ्रेंड से मिलने वाली हूँ. Actually, I'm just waiting for him. I reached here. So I will introduce him to you guys. So let's find him. Watch the video till the end to see the beautiful downtown of Bangalore and cake cutting for a friend. Come here. Okay guys,
Hi,
so this
guys.
is my friend Pawan. We are friends from what? 7-8 years.
Yeah.
So we used to dance together in Shyama. So he's going to show me around and ये बताने वाला है कि कब्बन पार्क में क्या क्या है, even I don't know. So what do we do, Pawan, now?
So I think Dramu, before we get into the details, first warm up.
Okay,
तो
done.
हम jog कर लेंगे. So probably after the jog, we'll think what to do next.
Okay,
चलो.
let's go for jogging. ऐसे हम जॉग करते रहेंगे और बीच बीच में रुक के आपको आइकॉनिक लोकेशंस के बारे में बताते रहेंगे. Oh my god. Oh, this is awesome. This is fun. What is this, high court?
हाँ, ये हाई कोर्ट है कल. So अगर हम आगे गए तो you will find विधान सौदा है.
Oh, okay, awesome.
So विधान सौदा से फिर हम if you go ahead, you will get the central library.
Oh, Central Library.
Yeah,
I
so-
thought when we entered, I saw UB City.
Yeah, so actually you find UB City on the other gate. So, Drums, do you know, basically people know this place as Cubbon Park. This
Yeah.
is also known as Chamarajendra Park.
Wow. It's
Yeah,
named
so
after-
basically it's actually named after the famous Mysore ruler or a Vadiyar, Chamarajendra
Oh, the
Vadiyar.
Vadiyar family.
Yeah,
Yes,
the
I've
Vadiyar
heard.
family.
Correct.
So
heard
it's
about
basically
them,
named
yes.
after him. It's
Oh,
a-
nice.
Yeah.
And I've heard that it's more than 100 years
Yes.
old park.
It's really,
Wow.
now I think it's 100 years now that this
More
park
than
has been
100, yeah.
situated.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And it's still so lush green and beautiful.
Seriously, I think this is the only place in Bangalore
Yeah,
which
that
is so
is that
lush green.
Exactly. That's the best part, right? So clean, fresh air.
Maintain किया है यार.
Yeah.
Then you can even actually do some of yoga poses.
Yeah.
तो कर सकते हैं.
This is so beautiful, so green, so fresh, and it's perfect.
Overall,
Yeah, there universities.
Monthly 5,000.
Oh, that's the entry here. Pavan. Okay, this is the Kaban Park entry.
Yeah. ये entry है. So probably if we exit out, probably we will get to see Vidhan Sauda.
Oh.
So from Vidhan Sauda, probably we can go to Central Library.
Oh, okay. I'm going to show you guys Vidhan Sauda. So हम थोड़ा सा बाहर आ गए हैं पार्क से because I want to show you guys Vidhan Sauda. Look at this beautiful structure. Oh my god. So this is Vidhan Sauda and that is supposedly Vikas Sauda. क्या है Vidhan Sauda? है ना amazingly beautiful structure and if you turn this is Kaban Park and right there this is the High Court which is hidden under the bushes. We can't see it but yeah it's here. और कितना सही लग रहा है. Thank you Pawan for showing me around. Now where is that we are going to eat?
Actually there are many eatable places around.
Okay.
We have probably I'll keep it that surprise for you.
Oh, okay,
Probably I'll
some
take you-
authentic place?
Yes.
Okay,
you might
perfect.
get the authentic food as well.
Okay.
At this lockdown, you definitely will enjoy the food.
Okay.
So let me take you there.
Perfect, let's go. अभी हम दोबारा पार्क के अंदर जाएंगे to see the rest of the park, Central Library and other spots. This park has dedicated spots for everyone. It has pigeon park, dog park, butterfly park and whatnot. And it is spread across in 100 acres of land right in the heart of the city. Wow. Now this is why it is called a city of gardens. And you know, the name Kaban, it comes from the longest serving commissioner of British era, Sir Mark Kaban. Interesting, isn't it? What I thought of as canteen, it's actually a library. Hi doggies. Oh, nicely they are sleeping. Most of the people have dispersed now. In time for us also to leave. So this is Butterfly Park. So I'm done. Actually we are done with our jogging. Almost 8 o'clock हो गया है और मैंने आपको सारे स्पॉट्स दिखा दिए जो हम कबन पार्क से देख सकते हैं. हाई कोर्ट, लाइब्रेरी, विधान सौदा एंड what else, UB City. So I will go around all these places dedicatedly and I'll show you around. Aaj it was all about meeting a friend and doing some exercise as well. Something, you know, since running or I do running regularly but it's not as good as this because of course यहाँ पे इतना green है और fresh air, so that makes it all the way so good. So I think the next spot will be someplace nice to eat. As Pawan knows, so many local good authentic places. So let's see where we go next. I will show you which place we are moving to eat and what else. I think that is all. Okay, time to say bye-bye to this beautiful park and let's go binging. Here comes my ride for the day. जा रहे हैं कुछ खाने के लिए। So we are at this place where no introduction is required, says Paula. And that's MTR. मावल्ली टिफिन रूम्स, ये साउथ इंडिया की बहुत फेमस फूड चेन है।
You're hungry?
Very hungry.
Let's have nice food.
I hope we'll get something authentic.
Yes, very much.
Awesome. MTR is close to 100 years old and when it started back in 1924, इसी से शुरू हुआ था culinary trend. Here comes our food, yay! This is vada with idli
With
and
sambar dip.
with sambar.
This is a plain idli.
Plain
And this
idli.
is karabar. We call it as upma also.
This is upma and this is ghee and this is.
So you have to pour this ghee
on
the
top of this idli.
Yeah.
Why we burn so many calories? Why are we consuming all of
It's
them
a good.
right
It's a good
now?
fat. Ghee is a good fat.
Oh, this is so much fun. Oh, I'm not adding all of it.
Okay. And
So this is
You
some
like it?
chutney.
it's not spicy. You can have.
Sure, it looks spicy.
No, it's not spicy.
Okay, fine. It is spicy, but it's good.
It's good. Okay.
Yeah. No, I will have idli. I think I'm okay with it. I'll take some. I never eat idli with even sambar, but I'm eating it today to see how this is. This is good. This sambar is good.
Good.
Yeah. Do you like that?
Yes. Yes. Go.
I want to try this.
What up? You want to try that?
Okay, so this is
This is made of suji.
upma, right? Made
Upma,
of suji.
made
And
of suji, yeah.
this is made of
Udin vada.
made
Urd
of-
dal. Urd dal.
Oh, urad dal. Okay.
Urad dal.
And this is coconut. Coconut
Yeah,
chutney.
this is coconut chutney.
And this is just regular sambar. Okay, nice. So tasty. For
It's
me,
really
it is spicy, but it's yummy.
It's really nice.
But you know what? I like this. This
You liked it?
vada.
You like the vada?
Yeah, and having it with sambar, it's
It's
so.
too crispy, huh?
Yeah, it's so yummy. It's delicious, actually. This is a revelation for me. Dip in sambar and have it.
Actually.
Because
I think after a nice workout, I think we got a very nice breakfast as well.
No. Put some sugar in it.
No, if you put some sugar, it will become nice.
To have na.
Bite you and me. Sorry, then onchur bite ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ?
Right out.
oh my god, yes, it is.
The caffeine is the thing.
Yeah, it's like
And this is the authentic
Filter
proper
coffee,
filter
huh?
coffee this is.
बैंगलोर आके फिल्टर कॉफ़ी नहीं पिया तो ट्रिप आपकी अधूरी है। Open kitchen with all the hygiene measures in place and delicious food. Time to go home. Take a glimpse of beautiful downtown of Bangalore as well as a small birthday celebration for a friend. Don't forget to eat your cake. time for the formalities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you all very, very soon. Bye bye.